The Ride1Up Portola highlights Ride1Up's strong reputation for delivering high value at competitive prices, and it may be one of the brand's most feature-packed models yet. Designed with practicality in mind, the Portola uses a folding frame that makes it easy to store in small apartments, offices, or car trunks, while also simplifying transport for commuters and travelers. Adding to its everyday usefulness, the integrated rear rack can support up to 130 pounds, making it capable of carrying groceries, work gear, or other cargo with confidence. In terms of specifications, the Portola performs well above what its price category typically offers. It is powered by a robust 750-watt motor that provides strong acceleration and confident hill climbing ability, giving the bike a lively, responsive feel. Like many Ride1Up models, it delivers a bit of extra punch compared to similarly priced competitors, appealing to riders who prefer a more energetic ride experience. Control and comfort are supported by hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power and a suspension fork to smooth out bumps and uneven pavement. The 8-speed drivetrain, paired with a wide 290% gear range, ensures flexibility across varying terrain, while stable 20-inch tires enhance balance and maneuverability, particularly in urban settings. Despite offering this impressive combination of power, components, and practicality, the Portola starts at under $1,000, positioning it as one of the strongest value options in the folding e-bike category. Overall, it blends portability, performance, and affordability in a way that feels thoughtfully engineered for real-world riders who want convenience without sacrificing capability.